Hey, what is up, guys? Um, Today we'll be playing Shadows of Pistol. And of course, I'm playing Shadows of Pistol with Mert. Right there. So there's round one. It ain't letting me grapple. Screw it.
They are coming. They have already corrupted this world with their twisted malfeasance. You are doomed. You are marked. You are cursed.
Wow, I didn't get it.
The Keepers corrupt
How embarrassing.
and distort reality, providing a means for their masters to overwhelm this world.
There's nothing very strange about this key.
In your mortal hands, you now hold the summoning key.
Alright, I got 2 right here. So I got 1200.
Who wants to try their luck now?
So,
Is this for gardening? I'll just give you a little squirt of this. See what happens.
wait, did any of us pick up the part? No. Oh, you did? Alright.
This is a room of secrets.
You ready?
Yo-yo, the ritual has begun.
Oh God, this is a nightmare.
Easy there,
It has
cowboy.
to be.
What ritual?
Nero, is that you? Is this one of your tricks? Please tell me it's one of your tricks. No.
Wow, 1980. Wait, we do? Alright, guys. Me and Merc have 1980 and exact 10 kills.
The world must be taken to the sacred place.
Even now,
Only then will you have means to repel the emerging horrors. 4 must be collected. Only then can we prevent the destruction of your world.
Oh, I was gonna buy the footlight. I'll kill him. You suck.
Only by invoking the beast
You suck. I
can you
know.
find the items you need. You must explore the unexplored. Your world, as it was, is still here.
Messed you up.
See? Wrenched from its rightful place. Many of the souls who inhabit it have succumbed to darkness.
Extra 200.
The interdimensional beings we've been hearing about? Oh, no touching. I warned you. Make hay while the sun shines. Don't even look at me.
Alright, I don't have one. Alright. Oh, I did? Oh.
Looks like we
You
just got a
kill
full
it.
reload.
So... And also, if you guys didn't know, I'll just do this 1 second. I'll show you why. That's a good idea.
What sorcery is this?
Yeah, especially on round 3.
Your sacrifice has been truth.
These guys again?
Holy shit! What the hell is going on? Where am I?
I'm about to die. Sorry, I had to.
Help me!
Oh, man. Oh, I really got one. Oh my god!
Like Sabbath.
Certainly improvement.
Like an octopus.
Current situation.
Sabbathicus.
Four must be collected. Only then can we prevent the destruction of your world.
No.
I'm embarrassed, alright?
Is someone gonna come get me?
I'm like, bruh, really?
Thought you didn't forget
No.
about me.
Come on, come on.
You have blood on your hands. It cannot be cleansed. Your sins have allowed
And it was going to YouTube.
into your world. Only another sacrifice will save their appetite.
Don't get fresh with me.
Oh, you did? And also you forgot about the Mila heart. Oh. I possibly didn't. Come on. I got it.
Here today.
Oh, damn it! They got me again.
Sorry. Was that the last one? Oh, I thought that was the last one. So I tried running away. Didn't work.
I don't intend to let that happen again.
I should have bought the can.
The burlesque. More than any other place in this city, your paths have crossed here.
What?
This is just where I ended up. Not the top.
Sorry.
Not at the bottom.
Anyway, what happened to all your money? Oh. So close to the ray gun. But I got the BRM. The berm. Drakon. Alright.
No dice? Are you sure?
I don't think so. Yeah. Hang on.
This thing?
Your sacrifice has been chosen.
I'm not going down without a fight.
What is this? Publicity started something? Jessica, please! You gotta help me!
Trust me, I can. I'm a pro at this. Well, that's hurtful. You killed them. What you talking about? Die?
He was a sleazeball.
Oh.
I know enough about how
You would've
he
lived.
treats young starlets. You know, he deserved everything he got.
Oh. Yeah, you would've lived. You killed them when it finished. I could've revived you. Reload. Okay, be armed. Alright.
I am loaded up.
Round 6. So Margwa. Pretty much. This is before our average round. More than likely, we're gonna die. Alright. So basically, it's survival to the fittest now.
Secrets of these mysterious forces.
Wait, is this already last one? Alright. Me and you had the same points. I'll do it.
That's a no-no.
Alright, there's one right here. But it's a runner.
The Ruby Rabbit. He knows this place.
Not my kind of show. No disrespect
Alright.
to the girls, but I make my money standing on my feet and performing
So-
my art. Okay?
Alright, I'll get in the spot. Alright.
Your sacrifice has been chosen.
Alright, so where shall they be?
Don't you
Ugh.
dare touch me.
I had to. I was about to die. What?
I'm also a theatrical performer. The amazing.
Yeah, it seems like it. I hear it. And it's round 7.
I haven't quite figured you out yet.
Average round. Alright, you go get that one. I'll open these last 2. Alright. I'll opening the last 2 portals. So we got all. Because I'm in Beast. Hold square on it.
Complete the ritual. The game worm's energy must be released.
I open last two.
I get a cold shiver down my spine every time that happens.
Well, I guess I should get Jug since I'm up here. Since I'm up here where it's safe.
You're so ugly. I can't play
I know, I got Jug.
that.
So I'm good. So let's go through this. Don't worry, there's two now.
Okay. I guess this goes here.
See, I'm wall running on it. No! I saw that, so I'm like, oh no. Get it! Alright, I open all the other portals. Actually, I didn't want this 3100 right there. There we go. Alright. Wait, is it Margwa around? And yeah, we already killed one. And I almost died from it. I'm getting shield part. And also the fuses.
Ow. That's a little too close there.
Go, 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 go.
This isn't happening?
I thought I had more than 1,000. And no, it's insta kill. Oh, alright. I thought I had 1,000, so I tried clearing this.
I guess I owe you a favor.
Oh, goodbye. I didn't get it, I was getting the shield parts. On what, which one? I only see 2 red X's. Not 3. I am getting there right now. So far the video has been about 19 minutes by now. Yeah. Right? Looks like this might be another 43-minute long. What I remember. Yeah, that's true. Alright, running left, alright. I still can't believe you ran on my wall run once. And also that was round 5 that you ran on my wall run. So we both lost. Oh yeah? Blaming me? I'll run this way.
Your service
I forgot about
to
the
your
Margwa.
lords is appreciated. Our complete assimilation of this dimension
Shut up.
will now proceed.
Hey! Keep your distance, creeps.
Wait, I want to show them this. Hang on. Yeah. Alright, let me turn up my volume. Anyway, guys. Yeah. I was standing still. Wow. Anyway, that was Samantha's dad talking to who again, Mark? Samantha? Oh. Oh. Great, it's meatballs. Mina like these meatballs. I like meatballs, but not these. Not these ones. These ones are sweet. I don't like sweet meatballs. These are the rotten meatballs. Die! I hate this game. 5. Oh yeah, I was watching a stream, and you guys possibly watched this stream. It's from My Crazy Teddy. His GTA wasn't working, so he prank called Domino's, and then the guy asked for his phone number. He said 1201 up your granddad's bumhole. No, he said sucker granddad.
How about that?
That was hilarious.
Free ammo.
It exploded on me, okay? It exploded on me. It had diarrhea. I was trying to run away. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, I'm still new to this game. Don't rush me. I'm still new. It's been longer than 2 months, but yet I'm still new. Okay, one more, which is at the ring. Oh, that's hurtful. Oh. Yeah, I'm training in the center of town. Oh, I thought you were... Yeah, I thought you were down there. I might as well get Jug. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut out right here. And yeah. More than likely we'll fail on the 12th round. So I'm gonna cut out right now. So, have a good day. What, Merc? What? We're getting down on round 12, so what's the point? Alright, before this video gets any longer, I'm gonna cut out right now. And in the next video, I'll tell you if we did die on round 12. I'm betting $10, alright, Merc? Alright, adios, guys.